Okay, I'm gonna see if this product dries down at all. If it does dry down, I'm not gonna set my lids, but if it does set down, I am going to, wait, if it does, wait. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be my BOXYCHARM unboxing video for this month, the month of May, and I have pretty much my full face on today because a lot of these products aren't ones I'm going to be able to try out in this video, but there are a couple that I'm going to be able to try out, and I'm actually really excited for this box. I think it's really cool and different from some of the past boxes that we've gotten. So if you guys want to see what's in this month's BOXYCHARM box, then just go ahead and keep watching. Before we start, there's no card in this month's box, so I'm not sure of the prices or anything like that, but as always, when I do the close-ups of the products, I will list the price on the screen, so you guys will be able to see the products up close and see the prices of everything. So just letting you know, there's no card for this month. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the first product, and these are the AM Beauty Care Dead Sea Minerals and Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. And I'm really excited about these. I'm always excited to try out new makeup wipes. I have kind of gone in the direction of micellar waters before washing my face just because I feel like it strips my skin less, and I've come to find out with research that makeup remover wipes kind of exfoliate the skin, and I exfoliate every night, so I don't know if an extra step is really good for my skin. So with that being said, I'm still excited to try these out. These look really cool, and I like that they have a lot of really good ingredients in them, and this is a really big pack of them, and I'm very excited. So that is the first thing we got in this month's box. The next thing is very, very, very cool. I have looked into products like this before at places like Lush that don't use any packaging, or the packaging they do use is biodegradable, but this is the Daily Concepts shampoo bar, and this is plant-based and vegan. The only thing I will say is I don't particularly like the smell. It's not bad, it just smells naturally, and it's really, really, really cute. It's a little, like literally a little bar, and it has a little handle on it, so literally on the directions it says to, where's it at, where's the directions? Wet the bar and your hair, swipe the bar several times down your hair from root to tip. I don't know about root to tip. Put the bar down and lather shampoo into hair, it will foam. So that's really cool. I really like the idea of having shampoo in a bar form. I've heard they last forever, which is crazy because I feel like I go through my shampoo pretty quickly, and I just think it's really cool that this doesn't have any packaging, and it's just this by itself, and it's very cute and in little cute packaging. So I'm really excited to try this out. I think it's really cool that we got this in this month's box. So the next product that we got in this month's box is something that I'm actually very, very excited about. It is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask, and I just think it's really cool when we get Glam Glow products in the box because Glam Glow is definitely a more prestigious luxury brand of skincare. I have their hydrating cleanser that we got a while back in BOXYCHARM, and it's one of my favorite cleansers of all time. It's super hydrating and super gentle, and I'm really excited to try this. I don't think I've actually talked about it on my channel, but I get every month and a half or so I get microneedling treatments done. I've had 2 of them done, and I plan on doing a few more just to see if it helps with any of my acne, scarring, my texture, and everything like that. So for the few days after I get those treatments, it's super good to have a gentle recovery mask that just helps recover the skin. I'm really excited to use this. This is a really nice sized tub. Oh my goodness, and it smells like berries. Well, it's Berry Glow, but anyway, I'm really excited to try this out, and I will definitely be using it. My mom will be using it as well. So I'm very excited that we got that in this month's box. Okay. My mommy just came home with HTO. If you are a local, which means you live in the Lakeland area, HTO has pretty much the best tea besides Chick-fil-A. This is the raspberry tea. Very good. Okay, so like I said, the next 2 products are products that we're gonna be using today, and I'm truly so excited for these 2 products. I cannot wait. I have swatched the palette that we're gonna be using in today's video. But before I go into the palette, we're actually gonna be dipping into the next product. This is the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. That's literally all it says. But it is an eyeshadow primer, which I think is really cool that we're getting in this month's box. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my lids, and once I've applied it, I'll talk to you about what I think and what I feel. It looks like it's a little bit tinted. I'm gonna show you guys on camera. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but anyway, it looks like it's a little bit tinted, but maybe not. We'll see when I put it on my eye. Okay, so no, it's not tinted. It's just like a little bit of like a nude color coming out of the tube, but it doesn't look like it has any coverage or anything like that. So I'm gonna see if this product sets down, because if it does, then I won't powder my lids, but if it stays sticky, then I'm going to put some powder on my lids. It seems like it's tightening my eyelids a little bit, which is weird. It's a very odd sensation, but yeah, I think I am going to just set it with a little bit of powder. I'm just gonna take the translucent powder that I used to set my face today. Just set down these lids. Okay, so I've just set down my lids, and I'm really excited to see how this performs with the shadows and longevity of the product. The next product is probably the product I'm most excited about. This is the Studio Makeup, never heard of this brand, Studio Makeup Ease to Wear Eyeshadow Palette. I don't know if it has a Sheen and Fate. Maybe that's the palette name. I'm not sure, but this is what the little palette looks like, and it reminds me a little bit shade-wise of like a Naked palette. But I saw this and I was like, I feel like this is gonna be like one of those knockoffs, but I swatched them and they are so promising. I'm very excited to try them out in today's video. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna create a little eye look with this palette, and I'm gonna do a really quick little tutorial and let you guys know at the end how they apply it and everything like that. But you will see it all on camera, so let's get into it. Done with the eyes, well, with the eyeshadow portion of this video. I think that I really like this. I think the only few things that I would say is I wish that they had a darker brown in here. I feel like what I tried to do on the lash line worked, but I feel like it would be even better if it was a little bit darker. But I like this brown. I think this would be, it would be good to have another color in addition. I think maybe take out like this shade and put in another dark color. But I really like this palette. I think it's good. I don't think it's like amazing. I really like the colors in this palette. That's why I really like it a lot. But I think it's a really great palette, and I really like how the look turned out. It's just something super simple. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna apply my mascara and put on my lip, and then I will be back to kind of tell you my final thoughts on the products. Okay guys, so I've just finished my lips and my mascara. My mascara, I use the Pretty Vulgar Faux Reals Black Swan Mascara. I got this in a previous BOXYCHARM. I actually don't think I did a video on the month that I got this, but I'm obsessed with this mascara. It makes my lashes look amazing. Okay, and then my lip combo is the ColourPop Libbi pencil in the shade Beeper. I have the Catrice Ultimate Color lipstick in the shade Hey Nude on top. And then for gloss, I have the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Peach Bellini, and I really love this lip combo. I have been so into a dark lip liner with a lighter center. It's very new for me. I have never done this before, so I've just been really into it. But let's go ahead and talk about this month's box. I think this is one of the best boxes we've gotten, honestly. I know there wasn't a lot of makeup products, but the non-makeup products that we got were really, really good. I think I would get a lot of use out of all of them. I think the palette and the eyeshadow are very promising. The shadows went on perfectly over this primer. I'm excited to see how this wears long term on a longer basis, if it helps with my oily eyelids or not. So we'll have to see, but yeah guys, I loved this month's box. If you guys liked this video, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up before you leave. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.